Now, the next principle is called contrast. It is called contrast. Now, contrast refers to the difference between elements in a design, which makes some objects to stand out. Okay, so contrast helps in drawing attention to specific areas and improve readability of our design. For example, when you look at this design, we have what we call contrast. You see the word contrast is huge, meaning when I land on this design, I will read contrast first. But also there's a difference in colors. There is this blue color and there is this burgundy color. Okay, and there's also a difference in the size of words. There is this and this. So with contrast, elements are quite different in size, in color, to make it interesting. Here we can show what we want people to see first. Okay, and then we can also make things to be quite different. I'll give you an example. Let's say we are making a simple typography. Okay, and how we have now our, let's say, blue background, and then we are going to type Funland. I'm going to make this big. Now give it some font. This is one of my favorite fonts. It's called Slab. Now with contrast, we want the word Funland to stand out. But when you look at this, Funland is in black, which is a dark color, but also our background is dark. So we can use contrast to help Funland stand out. So we are going to select this word and then we choose a light color. Okay, so I'm going to look for like this type of yellow, and boom, Funland is now standing out. Okay, so if we had also, in another sense, if we had other words, let's say this, but we want Funland to stand out, so we do not make them as big, like we do not make them as big as Funland. Okay, so what we do, these other contributing words, we make them smaller. Okay, there we guide the viewers to focus on this. So with contrast, we just do what we call a difference or an opposite. So if this one is big, this should be smaller, so that the big can stand out. If you don't want people to see Funland, just make it smaller and then make this one big. That's it. Thank you.